dragon update daw eh, sabi nila.
Bring it on.
Pa-animation pa. Baka makapirag.
With nothing left to show. We're afraid of where we've been.
Road to 2,000 subscriber na po tayo, kaya mag-subscribe na po kayo kung hindi ka po nakapag-subscribe. 400 subscriber na lang, 2,000 na tayo. Maraming salamat sa mga nanonood sa akin. Ang ganda. Update is cooking. Sorry, kasi kada month ako nag-upload kasi tinatamad lang ako po. Tinatamad lang po. Kung gusto niyo po ako mag-upload, ano po sabi niyo? Paabutin niyo po ng 2,000 subscriber. Yun lang po. Grabe, bibili talaga ako yung pas pag labas na yung dragon at pagpapalit sa puto dragon. May slow kitsune. You know, ano yan, may bago din na prutas.
Hope you all enjoyed the long-awaited Dragon Rework trailer, plus the newest fruit in the game, also known as Gas, which most of you didn't expect would make its way into the game. I didn't expect it that much either. It was a surprise for me too. The heated battle between the legendary Dragon and the Gas Felon was very intense. I want to see straight W's in the chat for this rework. The devs went absolutely crazy on this update. We know it took way longer than it was originally planned, but we hope that you guys still love the way Dragon Rework turned out. And now that I'm done with my little yap session, let's get straight into the showcase. Alright, so the first fruit on the showcase is Gas, which is the newest fruit in the game. First move I want to showcase is Suffocating Fumes, which is a Z move. Let's get it. This move basically makes you dash in and then slash them.
So, magaan na.
Look at the VFX on this.
Oh my god. Ang ganda ng gas
And then
upload.
next up, we have Bursting Vapor, which is the X move.
Pag labas ng update, mag-upload talaga ako, sasabihin ko, kukunin na natin ang Dragon Race. Ay,
yes, sir. It's basically just a little explosion.
mahina pa ako sa
And then next up, we have the C move, which is Smog Demon. It's probably one of my favorite moves right now because it has nice tracking
Bibili
again.
talaga ako ng boom.
This is what happens when you hold it, and then you just let it go.
So, advance happy viewing nga pala sa inyo.
And this is what it looks like when you tap it. Little burst damage. And then we have the F move, which is Traveling Gas. So you can either fly through somebody, and it does damage. Or you just use it as a move for traveling purposes. Alright, and then last up we have the M1s for the untransformed version. It's a mean combo.
M1.
Boys getting cooked.
1. 1, 2, 3,
And now the part
4,
most of you
5,
guys have been
6,
waiting
7,
for,
8, 9,
the
10.
transformation. Here we go. Tell me this isn't gas, bro. Literally.
No.
Tell me this is not hype. This model is so sick. And the VFX on it and the weapon. God damn. So first off, let's show off these M1s.
Yung
There
M1,
you go. Next up, we have the Z move, which is suffocating fumes.
pabuti nyo ito ng 100,000 life.
This move doesn't stun, but it does take damage over time.
Ang dami
And
nakikit
then we have the X move.
www.
We have bursting vapor. Boom! That thing does big damage too. Alright, like I said, I wanted to show you guys the Z move again because it has a special effect when used with the X. So first you do Z,
Oh my
doesn't really
god,
do that much by itself, and then you press X,
napakaganda.
and it
Sobra.
makes the suffocating fumes explode. So
Parang
right
gusto
here.
ko ng... Parang gusto ko din kunin yung prutas na yun ah.
And then
Parang
next up
yun
we
yung
have the
kaya.
C move, which is small
Yung nasa
demons.
Naruto.
Little demons right here.
Sorry, madayday ako.
I have more
Kasi
range.
gusto ko talaga yun eh. Kundo.
If you see this flying at you,
Laos
just
na
know
yung
you get
Ketsun
hit.
eh. Sabi nila.
These also have tracking, just like the Untransformer.
Ino-open na
And this is
nila
the
yung Ketsun
version
niyo.
you tap it.
Mas maganda kaya yung Ketsun kaysa sa ano.
And then we
Sa
have the
Dragon.
Aku, which is
Dati
traveling
ah,
gas,
dati.
which is pretty much just a dash.
Ina-open ng mga Ketsun yung Dragon dati. Tapos ngayon,
Unless you hit somebody with it. And it actually doesn't damage.
pag
So it's a good way to
di-work.
engage. Let me know your thoughts on the gas fruit in the comments down below. Alright, so here we have the Dragon rework, okay? I'm gonna show you guys how much
Ano?
destructive power
Dragon
this fruit
rework?
actually has, okay? First off, I'm gonna start off with the Z move, which is Heat Wave Cannon.
Wait. Ito, nakikita nyo to? Ito, i-zoom it natin. May ganyan yun oh. So, siguro yan yung ano.
This thing has some good range.
Alam ko, chop,
And he's gone.
i-rework din eh.
Let me show off the range a bit more.
Ang ganda ng dragon. Pero kanina, mas maganda yung nakita kong dragon.
Next up,
Para sa
we
akin,
got
gusto ko
the
yun.
Infernal Pincer, which is
Gusto
the
ko
X
yun.
move. Let's get to it. This one is so sick. Alright, so this is what you do. You hold the X, dash at him, and slam him
No.
to the ground.
Oh my
Full
god.
force. Here we go. Let me slam him against the wall. And boom! Take him into the air. And slam
Si
him down.
Usot, naka-dragon,
Boom!
naka-dragon beeper ba yun?
Again.
Lalabas yun mamaya.
And next up, we have the C move, which is Scorching Downfall.
Eh, nakaka-miss ulit mag-block.
I thought it was OP before.
May
Nah,
kaibigan akong
this thing
tipo.
got upgraded.
YouTuber din siya.
Alright, that's gonna be it for
Sabi
the
niya.
C move. Next up,
Gusto ko
we
rin
have
mag-
Draconic Sword.
karoon ng
Here
ano.
we go. This move also has two
Chinat niya ako
functions.
dati.
One, you can use it for traveling purposes.
Gusto ko rin magkaroon. Oh! Yun
Just like
ata yung
this, you
Dragon
fly
Race.
up, and then
Pwede
when
ka
you fly
lumipad
down,
pag Dragon Race.
you get some flame effect and you speed up.
We,
Fly back up,
Oo nga,
slow back
pwede
down
nga.
a little bit. And then we have the second variation, which is when you actually target someone, which is right here. Nice little high-speed combo.
one hit?
Ain't nobody reacting to
One
this.
hit?
Here's the M1s for the dragon.
One hit?
Alright, so as you guys saw in the trailer, there was a secret
This
little
is
mode that
one
was
hit.
activated. And that only happens when you transform without a full furry meter. You enter the hybrid form. Not
One
only does it
hit?
make you bigger, but it also makes you stronger, alright? Look at the little flame trail I have now.
Si Bigger.
Even my jumps are
Hindi pala si Bigger.
anything with my dashes. Look at that
Giant?
height comparison, bro. Bro's a
Oo
midget
nga, mukhang
comparison.
giant.
So that's not the only thing
Palat
that
talaga
changed.
tong
We also
Kaido
have
kasi
enhanced version of the moves now.
tapos
Okay?
may
Let me
ano
show
pa.
off the Z move now.
Mamaya gusto ko talaga yung dragon eh. Hindi sa ititrailer ko na kayo, sinasabi ko lang.
Look at that
Mas
giant
maganda yun.
explosion. It's way bigger than before now.
pangalan din ng dragon eh.
That's not the only move that got changed. The VFX of the X move got changed as well. Here we go. Electricity sparks right here. Boom!
Oh, lakas.
Blam move.
Oh,
Next up, we have the Scorching Downfall, which is a C move. Also got upgraded.
ang ganda rin
Going
yun.
longer now. Look how
Huwag
long
niya
the
na
mode
po
is.
habain. Gusto ko na makita yung ano ulit.
Alright, here's the M1's hybrid versions. As you can see, you get a couple more hits. Now it's time for the moment you all have been waiting for. The actual dragon transformation.
Grabe
Who's
yung
ready? Let
parang
me know
yung
in the
kutsin
comments
na
right now. Who's
nakabuga.
ready? Hype it up. Let's go. Here it is.
He bigger.
The new
Mas malaki na
dragon
siya.
rework. Look how massive this dragon is. And look at how he's moving. It is 1,000,000 times better than the previous model. Alright, and this is what the dragon looks like when you press J and activate your aura.
I-edit ko to
Gain some
mamaya.
armor around the
Mag-edit
full
ko
dragon.
mamaya. Tapos
In the
ano ko to.
helmet,
Upload ko
armor on
agad
the
to.
body, on the arms.
Yes.
Tell me that's not
Ayaw,
sick.
gusto ko na maging ano ulit. Ah, pag inano yung aura, ganun. Parang
Alright, so
shield.
when I tell you guys this thing is a bit more destructive than any other fruit in the game, I'm not over exaggerating because this Z move that you're about to see, fully charged, is gonna blow your mind. Look at that range. Hold on. Glad I didn't even show a problem.
Pwede yung panghabol sa PvP. Hindi ako magaling sa PvP. Pero pag nahawakan ko yung dragon na yan, lalakas na ako. May M1 daw yung dragon eh. Tapos yung isa pang dragon. Oh my
You guys get the
god.
deal.
Dumi na
Next
yun.
up, we have the X move, which is Infernal Pincer. Here we go. Big damage. That boy turned into a little tornado and slam him down.
Okay, magsasalita na ako.
Do it one more time. That's it for the X move.
Oh,
Next
goodness.
up, we have the Insane C move, which is known as Scorching Downfall. By far the most
Paabutin niyo
destructive
to
move in
ng-
the entire game.
Ng
Let's get it.
2K subscriber yung channel ko. Pangarap ko rin kasi mag
Whole island is doomed.
100K. Gusto ko ng ano. Sikat na ba ako pa
There's no escape in that move. There's literally no escape. All the devs that worked on this fruit really outdid
Sumusupport
themselves.
sa akin,
One last time.
salamat. Hindi na ako na-shoutout kasi yung iba nag-aaway niya eh.
And now we have the F.
I-shoutout ko kayo pero sa next video na lang.
Which
Dito
drags
kayo
along with you,
mag-comment.
and then you can slam them down. Boom! If you guys couldn't tell, I actually dragged
Oh,
Uzoth
yan.
along with me. Watch.
Ang tagal.
And we're going down.
Gusto ko na makita yung isa pang... Pero maganda na yan eh.
So this is what it looks like when you don't drag somebody with you.
Oh, ikot-ikot na dragon.
Hey, here's the
Si
M1
Kaido
for
nga
the
yan.
dragon transformation.
Eh,
And one
grabe.
last time.
May isa pa yung gas ano. Yung
Alright,
nakita
that's
ko
gonna be for the
kanina.
dragon showcase.
Pinakalaban
Hope you
ng
guys
Ketsune.
enjoyed. You guys
Mama.
seen it just now. It's
T-Rex.
actually
Yung
top tier.
isang dragon.
Yo! Hold on. Yo, wait a minute. I'm receiving many gifts from Uzoth. Hold on. Yo, Uzoth was actually going crazy with the gift. Look at all these dragons in my inventory. So yeah, there's a new gifting system in the game now. If you guys want to gift fruits to your friends, you can do it right here using the gift system, alright? Check out this new UI. I already got most of this stuff. And then let's go to the bottom. We also have the new gas fruit right here. But as you guys can see, it moves if you hover your mouse over it. So at the bottom, we have the new dragon fruit with the cool
Ito,
UI effect
yun
in
yung
the
maganda,
background.
yung isang
So if you
dragon.
click on it right here, it says transforms the dragon user into a mighty dragon, allowing them to rule over the skies with scorching
Mas
flame.
maganda yan para sa akin, yung isa.
Is that another dragon?
Ayan o. Ito, titignan nyo ah. Ayan. Oh, ina pa yung ano. Kakalabanin na natin ang dragon. Sabi nila. Andun yung dragon sa taas. Ayan na. inisip ko siya na T-Rex rework talaga. Ayun, no? Mas maganda pa yan kasi sa isang dragon. Ayan, no? Mammoth, T-Rex, Leopard, Kitsune. Kalaban sa dragon na yan. Hindi yung isang dragon. Yung isang dragon, ano lang, backpack. Ayan, may, ano eh.
Alright, so I know you guys definitely did not expect another dragon variation to be
Ayan.
coming out in Bloxus as
Tignan
well.
niya.
To let you guys know, there are two versions of the dragon. One is the Eastern, which
Anong mas gusto niyo dyan? Comment down below. Itong tawag na hinahawakan ni Usot, tawagan nyo yan ng Dragon B1. Ito naman, Dragon B2 to. Tapos ito, Dragon B1. Tignan nyo kung chat nyo na lang.
is the first dragon I showed you guys, and the one
Comment
I'm gonna show you guys
down below.
right now is the Western Dragon. As you guys just saw in the trailer, that thing is actually hype as well. It has a completely different moveset, similar to the old dragon, but also has some other stuff as well. And the model looks actually sick. So let's get straight to it. Here we go.
Ayan o,
Completely different animation.
mas gusto ko yan.
What it
Mas
looks like
gusto
with
ko
the
yan.
armor on.
Mas gusto ko yan. Promise.
Take it off.
Pa-promise ko na mas
The armor is basically
hindi
the
siya
deeper
sinasabi kong binabash ko yung isang
It
dragon
looks
ah.
way better with
Pero
the
mas
armor
gusto
on.
ko yan.
Alright, first thing I'm
Para
gonna
yung
showcase is the
T-Rex
M1s
plus
again.
dragon.
Pretty much similar to
Yung
the
isa
other dragon.
kasi-
Here you go.
Dragon plus Kitsune.
Let's do the Z move.
Ooh.
Z move actually has insane range. I'm gonna showcase it one more time.
Mas gusto ko talaga yun. Hindi nyo ang honors. Tapos, ano? Tapos may ano pa.
And it
Kala ko
hits, as you guys
T-Rex
can see right here,
rework eh.
6,000 damage. Next up we have the Infernal
Bibili
Pincer.
talaga ako
So
ng
this is the X
Game
move.
Pass. Makikita nyo.
And here we go again.
10k subscriber. Mamimigay ako ng 100.
And then we have the C move, which is Scorching Downfall. This one's
Tatlong-
actually sick. Here it is.
Ng 100 Robux. Dun sa please donate. Pag 1k. Pag ano pag
And again.
10k subscriber tayo.
And one more time. Like nobody in this
lakas.
area is actually safe. Everyone's getting blocked away. And then next up we have the F move, which is Draconic Sword.
Ang lakas.
Another slam down move, pretty much. Here you go.
Ang lakas. Ang lakas. Ang lakas. Ang lakas. Sobra.
And then this is what it looks like when you just use the F without hitting
Black
somebody.
Sprout is cooking
Basically launches you
update
forward,
now.
you get a speed boost, and you can start flying.
Magka-grind talaga ako. May nag-quit na sa Black Sprout eh.
And again.
Lagi kasi siya na-hack. Pinapalitan ng rocket.
Alright, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the new Dragon reworks. Surprise, surprise, 2 dragons now. So that means double the fun and double the destruction, alright? Just imagine both of these dragons at once flying around and destroying the entire map. The whole server is gonna be playing Dragon. I can already see that happening. So I do want to apologize one more time that this update has been taking so long. But as you guys can see, the devs have been cooking secretly in the background. The second dragon was a complete surprise for all of you, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Ano yan? Diyan siya kukuha ng Dragon Race. Diyan ang quest ng Dragon Race. Michael Jackson? Ano Yan ba si Michael Jackson? Oh, sumasayaw-sayaw. Oh, nabuhos sa ano niya. Tinapon. Ang sama. Ang galing. Wait, what? Tiki Island as update. May mga snow no. Tapos may ano. Pinalitan nila. Wait lang. Ano na kasulit? Oh my God. Mas maganda na yung Tiki. Pag nagkukwest ka sa Tiki, maguguluhan ka talaga kung saan ka pupunta. Ano yan? Sub to ano? Yan yung update. Ano mas gusto nyo? You know, may skin din yung mga dragon. Lipol ng dragon guys. See you guys in the next video. Subscribe. Bye bye.